Today we're working on a GE French door refrigerator. And the concern is they're not getting any water out of there. And this is the error that they're getting. Now they said that they've already replaced the filter. Filter's located up here, upper left. This is how you access it. You can push this tab. And immediately I noticed that's the back of the filter. So this filter comes straight out like that. And then you can pull it to put a new one in. Let's put this old one back in. So we got it pushed in. Slides over. And let's see if that fixes the problem. Bingo bango, baby. Tune in, like, and subscribe.